if Jack the Pro kills me again, oh my God, there's a battleship! Yay! Big Dreams is now inside of our team. Yay! I only want like 2,000 more points, and I don't want to kill this guy because he's my friend. You know what friends are? Friends are like the best to have, especially inside of DeFi, because they help you survive, right? Oh, hi. It's just funny how like some people like start. What? Huh? Whoa, hold on a sec. So I remember one time that my team killed me. I don't want Boomerang the dog to touch me because he seems kind of scary. Wait, so this guy's inside of our team. Either he's trying to kill our team, or he's inside of our team. I don't want to die because like Boomerang the dog can't still kill me. I'm faster than my own darts. It's so funny how you like some people can be faster than their own darts. Like I don't really see anything Boomerang the dog. Wait, he actually got a. Wait, is that like a dog kit? What is it? I found somebody. Hello. No, shh. That was funny to watch. No, I don't want to die yet. Wait, so is this guy on our team or not? No, not six. Well, hold on. I thought it was 7,000. Booster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Wait, hold on. Hold on a sec. I'm third place in the leaderboard. Hey! Stupid. Yay! So I have to find the leaders again. Hey, soulmate, I don't know. So, no, like, we're all top 10ers. I'm gonna, actually, this is not even the most that I've had. I once had 1,000. Hey! Boomerang the dog is back. I think he respawned. Imagine if you had to have, like, a respawn license instead of DeFi. Wouldn't that be funny? I tried hitting. I can't hit their starts! It's so funny. It's so cute at the same time, though. That, like, you can't hit him. What the? Kill him. No. This guy's probably hammer, so I don't want to lose, like, a lot of health for technically no reason at all. Hey, Boomerang the dog. I do not want to hit you with, like, myself, you know? Somebody passed me on, like, the being good test. Nope, I do not want to die right now to, like, a twin. Because I actually really hate twins, and they have double shooty Spitfires. That's what I call them, Spitfires. I literally just call them Spitfires, okay? Because they spit out, like, the fiery stuff. Ow. Stop shooting me! Stop shooting at me! Oh no. The dog might have died. The dog could possibly have died. If he did, I'm gonna be, like, really sad. Nope! I'm not going near! Okay, Boomerang the dog is still alive, which is good. Nope. I'm just gonna turn back, like, once. Yay! Now, are you, like, going to be, like, never mind, I don't think you have enough points yet. Thought it could have been, like, the, triangle. Like, this is, like, literally the best kit for, like, ramming. Because, instead of maybe, like, the actual, like, supposed to ram stuff, like the landmine, the spike, the smasher, except that the auto smasher kind of doesn't have to ram things. No, Boomerang the dog, don't die! Boomerang the dog could possibly die right here. Good news, he didn't die. Just don't hit, like, any of the pentagons. Because, like, you're probably gonna die. I mean, wait, he has regeneration! That's great! I love regeneration. It's like, fine. Like, oh, hold on. Restored. I know this guy. I'm just gonna try killing him because he killed me 3 times yesterday. When I wasn't recording. Yeah, I wasn't recording because I was dying a lot. I mean, right now it's fine for... hi. Wait, is this guy even on our team? I found Jake Paul. Johnson Paul. Whatever his actual name is. Hey, there's Johnson Paul over there. Johnson Paul, stop. Oh no. Good news, everybody. I still have time to finish this video today. Even if I'm logging out inside of 15 minutes, which is really horrible because I really hate having to do that. There you go. There's one reason that I hate my time limits. Number 2 is I can't stay wherever I want forever. I mean, I'll have to die inside of like a few more seconds. I'm gonna have like, hey, look, all these crashers. It's so funny how like crashers think they're so quick. No, don't kill me. I'm just running away from these stupid crashers. I annoy me a lot. Crashers annoy me a lot. Oh, there's layers! Where are the layers on? They really annoy me when they go away, and like, I'm literally shooting these crashers to death right now. Like, literally, it's pretty much impossible to actually move forward when you do. It's impossible to, like, do this. Like, look, I'm doing the twin tie. I'm just gonna turn on autofly so I don't lose the twin tie because I really like. Guys, look, I'm just moving. I'm not. Guys, look. It's like the best, and then when you turn on auto spin, you go around inside the circle. It's like they're literally the best. I found. Oh, hi. Wait, is he inside of our team? Okay, so Steelmate still seems like I could still probably kill Steelmate, but I don't. Ow! What are these little pellets? What are these little pellets from? What the? I mean, literally, was there like a gunner here? I mean, it wasn't that, like, very... Don't... Hi. So where's the leaders? Yeah, they went this direction. I mean, I'm 4th place in the leaderboard. Isn't that not too bad? I mean, I got 3rd place once. Yeah, 3rd place. Isn't that so good? I'm sorry, I hit you with one of my little darts. I can still see you coming up behind me. What? Hold on a sec, I'm being shot. Shoot in. I don't think that's even English, but shoot in. I mean shootin'. I don't think that's even English, but... It doesn't exactly no damage. Oh, never mind. Something did it. What? Don't. My mouse isn't working. Oh my god. I have to lick my finger now. My mouse never works. Again. Really. No, don't die! I will kill, I just noticed that my mouse is horrible. Hi. Foxy. Huh? Hold on a sec. They're all like, do have like a lot of damage done to them, except for maybe me. It's like weird. What? I kind of don't get this. Like, what? Oops. Was I hit? I was hitting him. Is this better? I'm still hitting him. This better? I'm kind of still hitting him. Is this better? I'm still kind of hitting him. No, now we're not hitting him at all. Just don't. Ah, my finger. I don't like my finger a lot. No, that. What? Hold on a sec. Like, literally, my mouse is not working. There you go. It's like, literally, it happens to me a lot. Okay. Just don't kill Jack the Pro. Duh. Prode. I'm just gonna call it the Prode. Because look, Pro. Duh. I was looking at his name. Wait, are we trying to kill that guy? Are we trying to kill that guy? Who are we trying to kill this time? No! It's, oops. Kill him now. Oops. I think I kind of hit Jack the Fraud. Stuff. Okay, so now that I'm lagging a lot. Okay, yeah, so, leave up the video, like, inside of, like, a few seconds. And, I hope you all enjoyed it. It was really fun to meet some of my new friends, since I don't have any real... Oh, hi. I'm sorry, you killed me. It's, like, really sad. I did not know that those... I literally did not know that those was darts, but, and, like, it was really sad, okay? I don't want to talk about it. It's just, like, okay, so, like, I mean, you already saw everything inside of it. I don't want to hit Stillman! You'll die! I don't want to hit you. I also don't want to hit Boom. You're back! Oh, wait. Did anybody notice that I died? Nobody noticed that I'm now this thing? Don't. No, Boomerang the dog is my friend. Boomerang the dog is my friend. I mean, well, he's regenerating. Just don't shoot. Wait, is that girlfriend and boyfriend? Or is it boyfriend and girlfriend? I don't get it. Are you a boy? Okay, guys. Let's just bye, everybody, and I hope you all enjoyed this video.